Need to boost your credit? Let me show you something. Here at Tyestyle and GMT Credit Solutions, we have Raylan Rowe, one of our credit experts. He's also known as ATL Ray. He is teaching the younger crowd how to add $50K or more of lines of credit to their credit file, and he's also helping business owners add starter accounts to generate their payday score.
What's going on, everybody?
We also have the office manager, DeMarcus. He will be handling any of the consultations that come through, and well, can you edit that part out? Okay, perfect. So over here, we actually show you how you can legally remove negative items off of your credit report. As you see here, you get the software where you see exactly what we're doing on your behalf. You see what items are in dispute, you see what items that are still marked as negative, and you also see the items that has been deleted, which is always a good sign. So if you'd like to know more information, click the button below to schedule your consultation with any of our offices. We have Atlanta, Georgia, Memphis, Tennessee, and also Austin, Texas. We look forward to working with you. Here's what our customers are saying about us.
The thing that I value most about her is that not only is she teaching us information, but she's living this information that she's teaching. She is an amazing entrepreneur. She loves people. She cares about people, and she wants to see people grow. I would, without hesitation, recommend it 100%, hands down. You will be so grateful.
Giving a testimony about Tye. She's an angel. You know, she does whatever she can to make sure your business, that your personal credit, that whatever you're going for her to, you know, the credit line is excellent. You do get your money's worth. Like, the knowledge that she has is like you're paying for something that's worth more than what you're paying for. Definitely, people, get with her. Do not waste your time with anybody else. Tye is the truth. Thank you.
I'm getting approved for different things. She's so knowledgeable, and I love the fact that if you need it, for her to take you hand by hand, step by step, she actually shows you that as well. I'm so excited to share this with people.
My credit has jumped tremendously. You will not have any regrets. I am so excited that you guys have taken this time to go ahead and enroll. Make sure you listen. It is so worth the investment, and keep going. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Our personal credit knowledge. She like the almanac, the encyclopedia of credit, man. She just been such a blessing. Always picks up the phone, always responds back. It's a blessing that we met her. You know, I thank God for her daily. Have a blessed one, man. Tyestyle forever, man. Loyal. Thank you. Blessings.